everyone, welcome back to Wiggin with Christy. Today I have another product review for you and I'm so excited to talk about this for you. A couple weeks ago, you probably recall I did a video on Clientele and my skincare routine, and I love all the products I use so much. And Clientele actually reached out to me and asked if they could send me some more products to review and be able to share them with you guys. And so I was so excited. I was a little nervous though, because I already love my other skincare line. I love it so much I didn't want to change, but I'm always up to trying new things. This next kit that they sent to me is actually the Elastology skincare set. And so that's everything that I'm going to be talking about today is in this set. And down below in the description of the video, I will post a link to the set and to their website and how you can get it. I'm going to do a demo again. I love doing demos, and I think that demos are great with skincare because you need to see what to do. You can hear all about them all you want, but you need to see what to do. And as I'm doing the demo, I will do a voiceover about each product, how they work, and what makes them so amazing. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at these demos. First, we're gonna do morning and then we're gonna do night.
All right, morning routine. We start out with cleansing and exfoliating, and we all know that this is very important, but also we want to cleanse and take away the aged cells and impurities thoroughly that are often too harsh for the skin. Most cleansers do not have a restorative property to them, but this is not the case with the gentle antioxidant soy wash. Besides thoroughly cleansing, soy nourishes your skin with the restorative benefits. Plus, the green tea in it provides powerful antioxidant protection against free radical cell damage. It leaves the skin clean, fresh, and radiant. The double action cleansing sponge included to deep cleanse pores and exfoliate the aged cells for a fresh, healthy look daily. So that is very important to use. All right, here I'm using the exfoliating pads. You don't have to use this, but I am still including a toner in my regimen in the mornings. The Lotus firming seed. So we're going to use a dime's worth all over your face, neck, back of neck, and this is our age definer with Clientele's exclusively patented Lotus firming seed. So the Lotus firming seed is an enzyme packed with antioxidants to in turn repair your DNA with its exclusive patented, the only product that can perform this amazing regeneration and restoration. This is one of my favorite products. I will talk a little bit more about it when we do the nighttime demo. The Lotus firming seed is almost in every product that Clientele has. So next, after this, we are doing the eye cream. This is the firming eye cream. You use less than half of a dime's worth around the orbital bone of the eye, which is at the very top of the cheekbone, and beginning from eye pupil out to the side where the smile lines may appear, and then lightly up to the brow bone. This helps to diminish the appearance of lines by the eye, tones, and firms the eye area. It rehydrates and improves skin tone. And again, this has the exclusive Clientele patented Sacred Lotus seed extract in it. Okay, so next up is the Age Blocker SPF 30. So you only want to use this in the morning unless you are going out in the evening and you're going to be around fluorescent lights or blue camera or computer light. But really only in the morning is when you're going to use this. Apply sparingly to the face, front, back of throat, and décolleté. Avoid the eye area and then build. This is your 3-in-1 complete sunblock, oil-free moisturizer, and powerful antioxidant complex containing Clientele's exclusively patented Sacred Firming Lotus Seed. Please do not use over a dime's worth to begin. The titanium dioxide in it makes it a little bit more difficult to blend. That is why you want to build it rather than put a lot. Okay, so nighttime routine. I did just use a little bit of the wash to wash off my makeup without using the pad because I didn't want to get my makeup on the pad. So now I'm just reapplying with the dual action sponge. Again, using the gentle soy antioxidant wash, scrubbing off my face. You just want to pat dry. Now I'm showing you the mask, which is a special treatment. This does not come in this set, but you can purchase this separately. This is for the normal to oily skin, and you can use this in the AM or the PM. You can use it once to twice a week. If you're more oily, you can use twice a week. If you're more dry, I would recommend only once a week. To me, the best time to do this is actually before you shower so that you can be prepared for it. You just cleanse your face, put this on, and then get in the shower and rinse it off. But for today's demo, I'm showing it to you this way. You mix, like I said earlier, 1 part of the solution with 1 packet of powder into your empty container. Shake and then put on your cleanse face and apply all over I could have put it on my throat and didn't do that for the demo today, but you can put it on your throat as well. You will get 4 to 6 entire mask applications out of 1 packet powder, depending on how thick you apply it. So there's about 36 masks total. You want to wait 10 minutes and then you can rinse it off. Okay, so we're back to the Lotus Firming Serum for the nighttime routine. Like I said, this is one of my favorite products and it really rejuvenates the skin and it has the Lotus Firming Seed in it. Now we are doing the Firming Eye Cream. We're going to again use this in the PM and you will use less than half a dime's worth around the orbital bone. This contains vitamin A, B, C, D, and E with enzymes and antioxidants. It helps diminish the appearance of lines by the eyes as it tones and firms the delicate skin area. It also helps to rehydrate and improve your skin tone. All right, so next we have the Night Firming Cream. You use this in the PM only on the face, front and back of throat, all over, all-in-one skin beautifier. 91% see younger looking skin. Nourishing all-in-one beautifier helps improve skin elasticity, and it includes our patented sacred lotus seed that was discovered by the UCLA scientists to resist the aging process. Use at night and be rewarded with revitalizing, firmer looking skin in the morning. This is where we replenish.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed these demos. I just would like to say that these kits are amazing. I love this kit. If you're looking to firm your skin up, tighten it up, I would recommend the Elastology set. I would also like to do a plug for another one of the products that I have that I love, and that's the Firmalite wand and the firming serum. It's like an even boost to this set. And so if you're really wanting to take serious and really work on tightening your skin, get that as well as this kit. You're gonna be noticing a huge difference in a matter of a couple weeks. I've noticed just in a couple days of using this set. I mean, I've been consistently using my Clientele products for a while now, but adding in this set has literally changed a lot of things already for me, and I'm super happy with the products. I'm super thankful. I can notice in my skin and just everything about it. It looks completely different. And I just want to encourage you that start out with this basic set. I believe it's on sale. I'll link it down below to Clientele's website. Also, Clientele, I know, really wants to make sure that you get the right skincare set for your skin and what your body can handle. I believe you can call them and ask their opinions. They are educated and they know what would be best for you and for your skin, and they can make the proper recommendations. I hope you guys have a great day. I hope you guys enjoyed this product review. I look forward to bringing you some really amazing stuff. I just want to thank Clientele for sending me these products. I love them and they have literally changed my face. So thank you so much, Clientele. And I hope you guys have a great day. Don't forget to shine bright, love others, and be kind. See you next time. Bye.